Hello, my darlings, and welcome back to Golden Age fashion. Now, let's have a real chat, just between us. We all know that true style has no expiration date. It evolves, it deepens, it becomes more you. But sometimes, we hold on to pieces in our wardrobe out of habit, pieces that no longer work for us. They might even work against us, dimming that incredible light you carry. This isn't about rules or you can't wear that. Goodness, no. This is about curation. It's about choosing clothes that feel like a celebration of the woman you are today. Confident, radiant, and full of life. It's about finding what makes you feel absolutely amazing. So, if you're settling in with a cup of tea, get comfortable. Today, we're having a sisterly conversation about 7 dresses that might be quietly aging us, and more importantly, the utterly fabulous alternatives that will have you looking polished, elegant, and full of that golden age glow. This is all about smart, loving choices that let you shine brighter. Because, my dear, you are the masterpiece, the clothes are just a beautiful frame. Now, before we dive in, if you're new to our Golden Age community, a warm, warm welcome. I'm so glad you're here. If you're a longtime friend, it's always a joy to see you. If you love our chats about timeless style and living well, do make sure you've subscribed and tapped that little bell. It's the best way to make sure you never miss our next get-together. We're building a wonderful circle here. All right, let's begin with dress number 1. The shapeless, oversized maxi dress. We've all been there. That billowy, breezy maxi that feels like you're wearing a cloud. It promises ease and forgiveness. But here's the gentle truth. When a maxi has no structure, no waist, no shape at all, it can completely overwhelm your beautiful frame. Instead of looking relaxed and elegant, it can give a draped curtain effect, hiding your natural proportions and pulling the eye downward. What was meant to feel carefree can sometimes make us look less polished than we are. For us, with our beautiful curves and definition, a tent-like dress can erase that gorgeous shape instead of celebrating it. And often, these are made in flimsy fabrics that wrinkle and sag, looking more like loungewear than the elegant fashion we deserve. So, what to wear instead? Let's reclaim the maxi. The key is structure. Look for a maxi dress with definition, a wrap style, a belted waist, or an empire cut. These details give just enough shape to flatter without any restriction. They highlight your waist, lift your silhouette, and make the whole look intentional. Seek out fabrics with a beautiful drape, jersey knit, silk blends, crepe. They move with you but keep their polish. And color. Oh, the color. Think of jewel tones that make your skin radiate. Deep emerald, rich ruby, vibrant sapphire, or earthy tones like terracotta and olive. A bold, modern floral on a structured maxi? Divine. You keep all the comfort but gain so much elegance and vibrancy. It's a silhouette that truly celebrates you. Now, moving to dress number 2. The boxy, high-neck shift dress. This one often feels like a safe choice. Modest, simple. But for us, it can be a trickster. That straight, boxy cut offers no shape, which can make the body look wider. And that high neckline? Instead of elongating, it can shorten the neck and create a stiff, matronly effect. It hides our beautiful collarbones and shoulders, areas that, when softly framed, add such sophistication and youthfulness. What to wear instead? Let's opt for softly tailored dresses with open necklines. Look for a shift dress that has a little secret, gentle princess seams, a slight A-line flare, or soft darts. And the neckline is everything. A modest V-neck, a graceful scoop, or an elegant boat neck. These open up the chest, elongate the neck, and draw the eye up in the most flattering way. In a fluid fabric like ponte knit or crepe, it becomes a garment of pure polish and ease. Dress number 3 is the sleeveless, straight-cut tank dress. Easy for summer, yes, but often it creates a rectangular silhouette with no waist definition. And the sleeveless cut can make us feel a bit exposed, drawing attention in a way that might not feel elegant or confident. The alternative is so simple and so chic. Dresses with cap sleeves or soft sleeve details. Just that little bit of sleeve, a cap sleeve, a flutter sleeve, balances the shoulders and adds instant polish. Pair it with a shape that skims the body, like an A-line or a dress with a subtle tie at the waist, in a beautiful jewel tone or a sophisticated print. It becomes your go-to summer elegance. Let's pause for a moment. I'm curious, which of these resonate with you so far? Have you found a shapeless maxi hiding in your closet, or a boxy shift that never felt quite right? Do share your thoughts in the comments below. I read every single one, and I love this conversation with you. It's what makes our Golden Age community so special. Now, on to dress number 4, the overly sparkly or sequined party dress. We all love a bit of glamour, but head-to-toe sequins or glitter can sometimes look costumey, not chic. The stiff fabric doesn't move gracefully, and all that shine can overwhelm our natural glow. The alternative is luxury, not flash. Think of dresses in sumptuous fabrics that have a subtle, sophisticated sheen: satin, silk, velvet. They catch the light gently, or look for a beautiful dress with just a touch of sparkle, some delicate beading at the neckline, a thread of metallic woven in. It's all about enhancing your radiance, not competing with it. In a deep amethyst or emerald, you will look and feel like royalty. Dress number 5 is the extremely tight bodycon dress. This style leaves nothing to the imagination, clinging to every line. The issue isn't your body, it's a beautiful body at any age. The issue is that this dress often feels trying too hard, more suited to a different time and place. It can be uncomfortable and unforgiving. Instead, let's choose figure-skimming elegance. The wrap dress is our absolute hero. It defines the waist, flatters the bust, and drapes gracefully. A fit and flare dress is another timeless wonder, highlighting the waist and flowing out with feminine energy. In a supportive fabric with some structure, you celebrate your curves with confidence and supreme comfort. We're getting into the home stretch, but I have 2 more important ones to share with you, so stay with me, because these next ones are real game changers for achieving that effortless modern elegance we all love. Dress number 6 is what I call the outdated floral grandma dress. Tiny, muted florals on a shapeless sack. These washes of color can drain the life from our complexion, and the cut does nothing for our fabulous figures. Let's reclaim florals. The alternative is modern, bold florals with defined shape. Look for larger, artistic prints in vibrant, saturated colors that make your skin sing. Fuchsia, cobalt, gold. Put that print on a wrap dress or a belted A-line midi. The combination of a vibrant, joyful print and a flattering silhouette is pure magic. It's feminine, it's fresh, and it's absolutely age-empowering. Finally, dress number 7, the extra short mini dress. A mini can throw off our proportions and, let's be honest, make us feel a bit self-conscious about constantly adjusting it. We want to move with grace, not worry. The most elegantly flattering hemline for us is knee-length or midi. A dress that falls at or just below the knee elongates the frame beautifully. A sleek sheath, a wrap dress, or an A-line midi. These are the classics for a reason. They show off your lovely legs with sophistication. Add a subtle slit for a touch of playful allure. In a gorgeous color, you have a look that is chic, timeless, and wonderfully confident. And there we have it, my dear friends. 7 wardrobe shifts that aren't about taking things away, but about adding more polish, more radiance, more you. Fashion in our golden age is a beautiful refinement. It's choosing the frames that best showcase the masterpiece you've become. You deserve to wear clothes that reflect your strength, your wisdom, and your vibrant beauty. Now, I would love to continue this conversation with you. Tell me in the comments, which alternative excites you the most? Is it the structured maxi, the modern floral, or the timeless wrap dress? Your insights inspire all of us. If you enjoyed our chat today and found a little spark of inspiration, please do give this video a thumbs up. It helps our Golden Age community grow. And if you haven't yet, subscribing is like pulling up a permanent chair in our circle. We have so much more to explore together: lifestyle, wellness, and of course, endless style. Thank you so much for spending this time with me. Remember, your most beautiful era is now. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, shine on.